Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to replace this Buick Encore key fob battery replacement. This is came out of a 2019 Encore, but it's used for different years, different models. The battery you will need is a CR2032, and you can click on the link below to get it online. Pretty easy. First we have to take the emergency key or the mechanical key by pressing this button right here, and we pull. Now, where we took the battery, I just take the, where I took out the emergency key, I just take the key and I insert and I turn clockwise and I pry. Okay, so once again, let me show right here, clockwise and up. Okay, and it opens. No need to apply a lot of pressure. It's pretty easy. Maybe here you will see better. 1, 2, 3. Very easy. Here is the inside. This is the chip part where the transponder chip is located. Here is the battery. I will take a small screwdriver, flathead, underneath, and the battery comes out. Now this is a good battery, as I said, 2032. To put it back, you see the arrow right here. So this side first, and then I press right here, and we're all good. Take the cover, make sure everything fits, put the emergency key back, and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.